Interior Designer has over 500 sample plans you can use to inspire your designs. There are two types of sample plans available. One is a fully editable sample plan, which you can open and make changes. Or there are non-editable sample plans, which you can open, use to inspire your designs, and are available to purchase from the company that owns the plan. Please note that the non-editable sample plans are copyrighted by the owner of the plan. Let's open one of each of these plans by selecting Search for Plans and first choosing the non-editable sample plans. After we make the selection, a series of selection criteria will allow us to narrow our search. After we enter our search criteria, we see our results page with a thumbnail preview. We can open the details about the sample plan and see a description, elevation view, and floor plan view. Since this is a non-editable sample plan, you cannot make changes to the file, but you may find them inspiring for your designs or purchase the entire plan set from the owner. Now let's return to the Find Plan wizard and open a plan that we can change by selecting Editable Plans. Again, we can narrow the search in the same manner we did previously. Once at the results page, we can open the sample plan directly into Interior Designer, and we can easily modify the plan, such as moving walls or adding doors and windows.